Your next successful product does not begin with a machine. It begins with a production solution built around your formula, your output, and your market. Because in real manufacturing, small process differences can become inconsistent batches, wasted material, slow changeovers, and missed delivery dates. Honemix helps cosmetics, personal care, home care, food, and pharmaceutical manufacturers turn product ideas into practical, scalable production systems. With 15 years of experience, we have designed and manufactured customized mixing, emulsifying, homogenizing, filling, capping, labeling, and packaging equipment. From laboratory trials and pilot batches to high-capacity automated lines, every project starts with the same question: what does your product truly need? Our engineers review your formula characteristics, viscosity, batch size, target output, container format, packaging requirements, available space, factory layout, and automation goals. Then we configure the system around your process, not the other way around. So each machine works as part of one efficient production flow. Inside our factory, stainless steel fabrication, polishing, assembly, electrical integration, and control programming are managed through a clear production and inspection process. Before shipment, equipment is assembled, operated, tested, and inspected, helping your team identify details early and prepare for installation with greater confidence. Our systems support creams, lotions, gels, serums, shampoos, toothpaste, detergents, sauces, ointments, perfumes, and other liquid or paste products. Whether you are launching a new formula, increasing capacity, improving consistency, or building a complete factory line, we help you plan the next step. You receive responsive engineering communication, installation guidance, project coordination, and long-term technical support. We are not here simply to sell you a machine. We are here to help you build a production system that can perform, scale, and create value over time. Send us your product details, target capacity, packaging format, factory layout, and project goals. Our team will recommend a solution built around your real production needs. Honemix, from formula to finished product, let us build your better production line.